It's now been a year, 1 year since I sold everything I owned, built a van and hit the road. This has been a journey, one that I'll never forget. With the highs come the lows, breaking down 3 times, being towed twice, and losing TONKA was truly the hardest thing I had to go through. But the highs and the lows make the journey all worth it. It gives us a chance to grow. Sometimes we have to go off the beaten track, get lost a little, so we can find ourselves again. Like, did I just score the best spot? I think I will be staying here for a couple of days. This spot is close to where TONKA is buried, so it gives me a chance to go and visit him every day. I've now been travelling the Pilbara for the last few months, and this by far has been one of my most favourite places. Not just because TONKA's here, but because it's just beautiful. When you haven't bathed in like a week, you kind of take any chance you can get. And it was actually remarkably warm, so that's a bonus. That's so good. A little bit chilly, but still really good. One of the biggest questions I always get asked is if I ever feel lonely. No, I don't. Look around me. Look at everything in front of me. Why would I get lonely? When you live in a van, you make a choice. You choose to go around people, or you can choose to go off the track and be alone. So to answer the question, no, I never feel lonely. spending too much